so beautiful out.
But it's so rough.
No, it's lovely. It's raining in Manila. I hope you get rained on.
Wanna go to the bathroom
Mom,
That's a feature.
Mom, come on, Mom. I need body roll. Take 5. Mom.
That's okay. If it's learning in the
Gotta be much younger. 10 years ago. What were you like 10 years ago?
Hello, welcome to Victory Liner Bus. No, promote it. That is the start of our trip for today. Hopefully, we take short 3 to 5 hour trip with no stopover. Thank you.
Yes, and
Going on a hike today to get out of the house. Starting on the campus of UP Los Baños and heading up Mount McKean today. It's our first day we've had that hasn't been rainy in, I don't know, 2 weeks, and we got 3 more storms coming, so we're getting out of the house before we get locked in again. To Aguila Base. Hallelujah. I'm here just in time for the downpour. And a nice snack here.